The only thing we need to do, put your trust in it. If you don't do it, I get a better God. Always there for us, always there for us. My people listen to me carefully. That go to him, one to him. That go to the church, that to the whole street. They say, don't benefit in it. I get my best friend, listen to Jesus. Say, hey, do it God. I get my best friend, listen to Jesus. He got me happy, do it God. I get my best friend, Jesus. He got me happy, do it God. The people keep on asking me, I ain't happy. You always ask me, you think, when they got my biggie, listen carefully. Jesus not gonna do anything for us again. They for everything, that was seen from our show. Everything on you, yeah, that's it. My biggie, you know, who get one, who got, who always get. You pass, you never take it up a sin. If you got it, you do that. You can watch your way you say, take away everybody. It's the true God, He's the only true living God. He's my best friend, He's the only perfect. We need to be faith. No other friend can be like him. So yeah, put your trust in him. He will do everything possible for you. Yeah, believe in him. Just name it Jesus. Jesus. With the true real God I know. Come on, I get my best friend. Just name it Jesus. You got me happy. No evil. I have my best friend. Just name it Jesus. You got me happy. No evil. I get my best friend. This is the Jesus. Very happy. No ego. And people keep on asking, I happy in the time. Always there now. As long went back, I went to bed. Wake up in the morning, I wake up smiling. No matter what, nothing happens. It's just